Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both machines. Make sure you have admin rights, the remote host's name or IP, and the account credentials ready. Once done, enable the remote feature you chose, Windows Remote Desktop or a third-party tool, and install any required client software on the controlling PC. Make sure firewalls allow the remote app and note port numbers like 3389 for RDP. These initial actions get you into the configuration phase quickly, so you can connect without guessing settings. Next, you configure network and access details to make the connection reliable. Assign a static IP or reserve a DHCP lease so the host address stays stable. Then forward the router port or enable NAT traversal if you need external access. Use a strong password, rename default accounts, and enable two-factor authentication when supported to protect access. If you prefer simplicity and security, sign into a reputable remote service that uses encrypted relay servers so you don't expose ports directly to the internet. Finally, you initiate the remote session and verify functionality. Connect locally first, confirm display, audio, file transfer, and clipboard work, then test from an external network if required. Make sure drivers and client apps are updated for best performance. If the connection fails, check the firewall and router port forwarding, confirm the host's IP and credentials, and run network diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable the host firewall to isolate whether a rule is blocking the session, then re-enable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.